Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Arda EA for MT4. I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discussing the features highlighted by the developer, and then sharing some observations about the historical testing information and overall approach of the system. Starting with the marketplace listing, we can see that Arda is an expert advisor developed by Evgeny Zidane and designed specifically for the MetaTrader 4 platform, making this an MT4 only EA. At the time of this review, the purchase price is listed at 449 US dollars, with rental options available as well. 1 month going for 349 US dollars, 3 months going for 399 US dollars. The developer also notes that only a limited number of copies are available at this pricing level before the price increases. Looking through the product description, Arda is presented as a trading expert advisor based on what the developer describes as the dissonance of technical indicators and price patterns. While the exact internal logic is not fully disclosed, the description indicates that the system combines information from technical indicators together with price pattern analysis when making trading decisions. As I continue down the page, the developer states that the EA has been tested on real historical data for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD, which are also the recommended markets for deployment. The recommended time frame is H1, so that is the primary context the developer suggests for both testing and live usage. The marketplace page also includes several operational recommendations. These include using a VPS environment, trading with leverage of 1 to 10 or higher, and maintaining a minimum account deposit of $100. Moving into the settings section, we can see that the EA provides configurable parameters such as take profit and stop loss values, which allow traders to define trade management preferences. There is also a max risk parameter along with lot size controls depending on how the user chooses to configure risk management. The EA includes trailing stop functionality as well. Settings such as start trailing stop, first trailing level, and step trailing stop give users additional flexibility when managing open positions and locking in gains as trades move in their favor. Other available controls include a filter period setting, a trend cons parameter, magic number configuration, maximum slippage controls, and maximum spread limits. These types of settings can help traders tailor the EA's operation to their trading environment while maintaining separation from other automated systems running on the same account. One important point highlighted by the developer is that the trading strategy does not contain what they describe as dangerous trading methods, and each trade is protected with a stop loss. That's a notable detail because risk control mechanisms are often an important part of evaluating any automated trading system. Now, moving into the backtesting section, historical testing can provide useful insight into how an EA performed under previous market conditions, but it is important to remember that historical performance does not guarantee future results. Okay. The developer specifically mentions testing on real historical data for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD. They also encourage users to verify results independently using high quality historical data sources. So that's generally a good practice because testing conditions and data quality can influence about backtest outcomes. But now let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Arda EA performed on EURUSD, one of the recommended pairs, on the H1 time frame, which is the recommended time frame, right? So now I'm also using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy, and we're testing over the past 3 months. Okay, so we're using about 3 months data for the back testing. All right, looking at the reports, I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit is negative 1,827.18, and the total trades taken were 61, out of which 21 were profitable, giving us a 34.43% win rate. The largest profit was 1,165.62, and the largest loss was 299.52. The average profit was 301.97, and the average loss was 204.21. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is not good enough, even though that it is a little bit okay, maybe very close to 1:1.5. All right. Well, let's just also look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode right away. Same settings. Okay, so as I review the historical chart activity, the information provided suggests that entries are influenced by a combination of technical indicators and price pattern analysis. Beyond those details, I would avoid making assumptions about the precise entry triggers, exit logic, or filtering mechanisms because those specifics are not disclosed on the product page. I can see here the dashboard shows the amount earned for that day, the open orders, the equity, the balance, the drawdown, and the current spread. All right, so it's quite an interesting one. And I'm also going to recommend running longer term testing yourself if you are really interested in this EA, so that you can gain a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and varying volatility conditions. Now, when evaluating historical testing performance, keep in mind that results can vary based on broker execution, spreads, slippage, leverage, risk settings, lot sizing, and user optimization choices. All of these factors can influence both historical and live trading outcomes. Overall, Arda EA for MT5 is presented as a pattern and indicator based automated trading system that is designed for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. With configurable risk controls, stop loss protection, and trailing stop functionality, it provides traders with several customization options while maintaining a structured approach to trade management. As always, make sure to conduct your own testing and due diligence before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and if you've used Arda EA yourself, feel free to share your experience in the comments below.